Welcome to Forex Mentor. Today I'm going to share my opinion about the Ethereum. So let's start. So this is the Ethereum daily time frame chart, and you see here that after rejecting from this area, price moved downwards very sharply, and also price takes some rest over this area, and the buyer suddenly come from this area and push the price upwards, but in a corrective way. But now, from my opinion, that the many traders are take their positions over this area because they pretend this area is a strong resistance zone, and they predict that the price may retrace from this area to complete this wave before go upwards. But my opinion is little bit changed from the others. I see some breakouts retrace and go to this area before go downwards. So why I'm thinking that the price is move further upwards? There is a logic behind it, that you see here on this chart, daily chart, that buyers are very strong in this corrective pattern or in this corrective way. You see here, price is moving in a range, but in a range, in between a range, the buyers are very strong. You see, one candle take the price up, then you see here there are many candles to take the price down. Look at the time they took the price downwards. Bulls are very fast, are very powerful in this entire corrective way, because you see here this strong bullish move, and bears take time to push price further down. Then you see here the bullish are showing their strength over this trend line. Why I draw this trend line to this way, not at this another way like everyone draw? You see here, people may draw trend line like this, and they pretend that the trend line was broken and retraced, and everybody take their profits from this area, and they are looking for some sell. But I see some upward move, because if you draw this trend line like this is totally wrong, and this is might get you from the trade very early. So I draw a trend line like this, because you see here the touches of trend line. After going upwards, price did not touch this trend line instead of this. This shows that the bulls are still stronger in this corrective wave. That's why I am looking some upward moves, and this is my target. But this is another scenario in my mind, and also another scenario in my mind, that if we broke this trend line, then price may retrace this level $186 or $187 before move upwards. So all my view about the Ethereum is upside up move with the target of $297 or 300. Then price move further downward to complete its ABC move. Thank you. I am Forex Mentor signing off.